Superstall. No, no. Can you not read? Are you blind? Can you drive? Yo! Welcome back to my channel. Oh, that sounded so cringe. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jonah. It's good to be back. So today's video is going to be a drive with me. What's been happening in my life? I've got my protein. I've got my green tea. And yes, I'm travelling to Liverpool today. So what's everyone been up to? What's been the crack? I've literally got to be in Liverpool in 45 minutes. And yeah, this ain't looking good. I feel like I've forgotten everything. Is it just me, like when you get into your car before you go on a long drive, you've got to make sure you've got every single thing, because you just literally lose everything. Or you forget to bring stuff. And that's literally my life. Forget your stuff. It's not good. There's so much traffic as well. I swear people are just looking at me thinking, who's this guy talking to? Why is he talking to himself? Yeah, so I'm going to Budapest on Friday. Oi. But I've literally not packed, not nothing. I'm just really last minute. And all my mates are just like, oh, we've packed, we're ready to go. And I'm just here like, mate, I ain't got a suitcase. Yeah, so we're in Budapest, I'm going to try and vlog it. We've got loads of different things we're going to. So yeah, it's going to be epic. It's so much traffic. What annoys me about my road, it takes ages to get off to the main road, because it's just so much, there's so many cars, no one lets you through. So you just hear like a lemon. Yes, I don't even know what to take to Budapest, because my mate says, what's this guy doing? You're saying you late, mate? Jesus Christ. Trying to kill me! Can you not see me? Can't see me! Yeah, I don't even know what to wear. Like, I'm thinking about taking warm stuff, well, like coats and that, but apparently it's like 16 degrees at night time, which to me that's quite warm. Because like, yeah, that is pretty warm. Can't speed up now, I'll be fuming. Let me in. Good girl. Oh! Tunes on. I've made a playlist today, but I've just, well, it's not even a playlist, it's just loads of different songs on my iMusic. So we'll see what happens, eh? Oh! Woo! Oh, I love this song. What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mama. Oh, I'm actually gassed, right? So, on the motorway, an ambulance has just come on, and I'm literally just tailgating it. Yes! And there's a lot of traffic as well. Buzzing! I swear this is the best thing ever. If you drive on the motorway, right, and an ambulance comes on, you just literally get behind it, because it's going so fast and traffic's got to move over. Winner, chicken dinner. Oh, it's turning left. Where are you going? Oh. Well, for the short time it was on the motorway, for about 10 minutes. Sorry, no, about 2 minutes. Help me out. Should mate. What's on the next joint? Oh, what a banger. Do you know what I hate the most about motorways? Like, there's just always traffic. There's a guy, right, in the right-hand lane, right, the overtaking lane, it's a 60 miles per hour speed limit for some weird reason on the 70 miles per hour motorway, and they just hog the right lane. I feel like they should just move over and let us move in. Let us drive. Does my head in. Just move over. You're doing 42 and it's saying 60. What the hell's your problem, G? Can you not read? Are you blind? Can you drive? Prob's not. Cigarettes and kush, you never let me down. You got the cigarettes and kush, you never let me down. You got the cigarettes and kush, you never let me down. You got the cigarettes and kush. What I don't get as well is right, why people indicates last minute. They move over on a lane and then indicates. I don't understand what that situation is. I feel like you can't drive. And he's just looked over to me as well because he thought I was swearing at him. What a
all night till the morning. We got about 3 hours, leave your phone alone.
Baby,
Oh,
I switch this shit up.
bit of breezy.
Fuck the old shit. Yeah. It's just us, girl. Let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? 'Cause I'm gonna hold it down, beat it up, go down, beat it up.
You know what's really funny when you're on the motorway, like singing, is when a driver catches you out. It's so embarrassing, but again, so funny. But man, you've got to. It's morning. You need something to encourage you to be like getting yourself involved with life. Just embrace, man. Hey, bit of 80s. Hey, you're simply the best.
Hello?
Hey, I think the signal went then.
Yeah, I think you might be mine actually. No, I'm like literally not moving at all now. I'm just sat here chilling.
Oh my god, why is it every time you and me are on jobs together, we always seem to be stuck in traffic?
I know, it's so annoying.
I bet they think we plan stuff, you know.
Yeah, let's both turn up half an hour late.
Innit? Well, I've just got a different route now, so I think it's taking me around all like the back streets and stuff.
Hopefully you'll get there faster then.
Hopefully, thank God I did get off that bit then, because it came up on the side. Please take M6 through Preston for junction wherever. So I just thought I'll wing it.
Oh my god, she might be ages away.
Yeah. We'll see.
Bloody hell.
We will see.
Oh well, we'll drive safely, don't go too fast up anyone's chuffer.
I probably will. See you later.
Bye, Jonah. See you later. Bye.
That was Tabs, one of the mods at me mod workshop. You know what I mean? One of me pals. Don't know why I'm speaking in a Liverpool accent, just because I'm in Liverpool doesn't give me the right to start speaking Liverpool. Oh, I'm stuck in traffic. No. 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 You know what? I'm going to take this jacket off. We're not exactly moving. Oh, as soon as I take my jacket off, we start.
Select a route.
As soon as I take my jacket off, we start moving. Great. Woo! God, it feels west not having a seatbelt on.
Praying that we never land down, no, in the Netherlands. My team too high and I'm praying that we never land down. My team too high and I'm praying that we never.
We're literally in standstill traffic. Oh. You know what, think of the positive side. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. Wow, some guy's like proper blasting his tunes out. Rocking it out in his car. Oh yeah, living the best life. He's like fully going for it as well. Go on, G. Go on, G. Yes, I've decided once I've uploaded this video, I'm gonna start packing for Budapest. Do you know what I love, right, about getting clothes? Is ASOS. Like, do you not think how quick it is to order from ASOS? And plus now they've got that Klarna deal thing where you can order your clothes, and obviously if you don't like them you can just send them straight back without being charged. Like, that has literally saved my life. I'm not even joking. Go on, order loads of new clothes for Budapest. I'm only going for 3 days. I'm going for like 5-10 days. They sort me out.
I think she love me, cause I got a check on me. Won't spend any damn flags on me.
Don't dance, they just pull up my pants and do the rock away.
Lean back, lean back, lean back, lean back.
All out of his mercy. All out of his, all out of his.
Hey,
When
Daddy's welcome. Oh, there's so much traffic.
say I'm a man.
Why is there so much traffic, man? I'm literally like so close. I turned my head filming off because literally I was stuck in it for so long, but I'm about still about 10-15 minutes away and it's like 9:15, so I'm well overdue late, but they know, so it's fine, so whatever. It's not my fault. Apparently on the M62 a lorry just literally burst out of flames and they don't know why it happened, so God knows what happened there, man. Savage. It's crazy how one vehicle can just like disrupt like so many people. Just fingers crossed, hope the person that's inside is all well and good, because apparently it's just like hitting flames and it's not going down apparently. Superstall. So I need to start concentrating more. I nearly just went in the back of this guy. Oh, what a shoot. Right, don't judge yet, but Usher back in the day was the best. When he was younger and he bought that album, I was obsessed with it. To you. It's been burning me to say this. It's coming from my heart. It's been a long time coming, but we didn't fall apart. Yo, walking a party standard. Where's your army? Where's your man? On Insta, sitting in the mad with big traffic, and I'm looking like a catfish. I don't wanna dead no beef. I don't wanna sort it out. I don't wanna hear no words. I don't wanna talk it out. You know, I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna get McDonald's, sack it. So hungry. Hi mate, could I please have a breakfast wrap with red sauce?
With no sauce with that?
With red sauce.
With red sauce, sorry, yeah?
And then could I have a hash brown?
Yeah.
And then could I have an orange juice with the meal?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's everything.
Just drive around for me, please.
Nice one.
Please follow the road for 300 yards.
Are you okay? Ta, nice one. Cheers. Yep. Nice one. Thank you. McDonald's, McDonald's.
Right after 500 yards and continue to follow the
Best thing about Mackey's, right? Hash brown. Oh, when they're hot as well. Oh, this dog. These wraps are peng. You know what? For someone that said they're gonna eat clean for this week, I've done a terrible job.
Make sure the glass is
Jonah and his fate has arrived. They arrived. Jesus, I've just got here then. My back is gone. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching me whilst I drive, talking rubbish as usual. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're a new subscriber, and of course don't forget to hit that like button if you like it. And if you've got any suggestions, drop it below. Let's have a chat. Let's get some more vids on the go. So yeah, good to see you all. Have a great day. Be happy, be gracious, and just smash it, yeah? But yeah, I best get inside now because my book is going to be going sick at me. See you in a bit.